Number 1 tutorial for beginners. Understanding resell rights, PLR and MRR. Alamin natin ang pagkakaiba nito. PLR o Private Label Rights. There are two types of PLR, restricted PLR and the other one is unrestricted PLR. Ano nga ba ang restricted PLR? Dito, pwede mo i-edit ang digital product, yung colors, theme, fonts, etc. Pwede mo rin itong ibenta. Pero bawal i-transfer ang resell rights doon sa buyer mo. It means, sa kanya nagtatapos ang resell rights. But on the contrary, pag sinabi po nating unrestricted PLR, pwede mo ito i-edit, ibenta at i-transfer ang resell rights sa buyer mo if he or she wants to resell it. MRR o Master Resell Rights comes with certain restriction, which is bawal baguhin ang contents inside the product, as is po ito. It enables you to resell the product, ipasa ang resell rights sa iyong customers, and allowing them to resell it as